Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I'm back with a new video. This time I'll be showing you a new budget laptop. Now this video is specially focused on college students who are looking to buy a new laptop on a tight budget. So let's get started with the video. The laptop we'll be checking out today is the Asus Vivobook X507. Now this laptop offers a variety of CPU options starting from Intel Celeron to 6th Gen i3 processor. The model we have for review is the X507U, which comes with 6th Gen i3 processor coupled with 4 gigs of RAM. So the X507U comes in this sort of box packing. Let's check out the specs of this laptop. The Asus Vivobook X507U comes in two colors, grey and gold. I've got the grey color model, has a 15.6-inch 1080p Full HD LED backlit display, comes with Intel i3 6006U processor. It's a 2-core 4-thread CPU clocked at 2 GHz, has 4GB DDR4 RAM, 1TB 5400 RPM hard disk, and a 33 Wh battery with fast charging support. This laptop has impressive specs for the price, can't wait to check it out. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape over here. I want to thank Asus for sending me this product for review. Alright, let's open the box. So this is how the inside looks like. You've got the laptop right at the top. Let me take it out. It comes nicely packed in this cotton bag and does feel quite light in the hand. Let me take it out of this cover and show you. So here it is, the Asus Vivobook X507U. Looks nice. We've got the grey color model. The build quality looks actually good for the price. We'll just come back to that again. First, let's see what else do we have in the box. You've got some documents here, just make sure to read them. There's also a mains card for the adapter and a power adapter for charging the laptop. One more awesome feature is that this laptop supports fast charging. So these were all the items you got in the box. Now let's check out the laptop. The Vivobook X507U has a solid build quality. The complete body is made of plastic, but even though it's plastic, it looks premium in its class. The top panel has a nice brushed metal-like finish on it with the Asus logo at the center. It's also quite thin, has lots of connectivity options and weighs only 1.68 kgs. Yes, you heard me right, it's very lightweight and easy to carry. So that was about the design and the build quality. Now let's check out all the ports and connectivity options. To the left, you've got a DC in port, a USB 2.0 port, USB 3.0 port, a power LED indicator, charging LED indicator, an exhaust to let the heat escape, a microSD card slot, a HDMI port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. On the right side, you just have a USB 2.0 port and a Kensington security lock. These were all the connectivity ports. Now let me show you how the bottom looks like. Even the bottom part is made of plastic. You've got 4 rubber foot pads on all the corners, has stereo 2-watt speaker placed at the bottom which are powered by Asus Sonic Master technology, and has few vents at the bottom to let the heat escape. So this is how the laptop looks like. It's got a hinge-like design and the build quality is really nice. The palm rest has a nice brushed aluminum-like finish on it, which makes it look premium even though it's plastic. And the keyboard surface has a dotted design with the Sonic Master logo at the center. Talking about the screen, it's got a 15.6-inch 16:9 Full HD LED backlit display. The special thing is it's got very thin bezels on the sides. Asus calls it the Nano Edge display with a screen-to-body ratio of 75.4%. The design looks impressive, but still the bezels on the top and bottom part are quite thick. At the top, you've got few sensors and a VGA camera at the center. Now let's talk about the keyboard. The X507U has a full-size chiclet keyboard including a number pad on the right. And talking about the comfort, the keyboard is good, sturdy and has the right amount of key travel. The quality of the keys is also nice, they feel soft and clicky when pressed. My only complaint with it is there was no LED indicator for the caps lock. And coming to the trackpad, it has high precision trackpad that feels really smooth while using. It's quite accurate, supports multi-finger gestures, and also I didn't find any dead zones on it. The buttons are also of good quality, they feel nice and clicky, and the best thing is that this budget laptop also has a fingerprint sensor on it. That's really awesome. It was working well from all the angles and unlocks almost 85% of the time. Now let's talk about the display. It's got a 15.6-inch 1080p LED backlit display with anti-glare coating. The quality of the display is good considering the price, the colors are decent, the contrast is good, and the sharpness of the panel is also nice. It's also quite bright, you'll not face much issues using it in outdoors, but I was not that satisfied with the viewing angles. I'll show you that in a moment. Talking about the audio, it's got a stereo 2-watt speakers that are placed at the bottom of the laptop. To be honest, I was not that happy with the audio on this laptop. The audio quality was okay, but the audio output was really low. I could barely hear anything at max volume, no matter where you place the laptop. That must be solely because of the downward placement of the speakers. Alright, I just caught up with my uncle and here is his new hardly fat. Now let me show you the viewing angles. The display looks fine up to certain angles, say 140 to 150 degrees, but beyond that you'll see discoloration. But I do appreciate the fact that it comes with an anti-glare panel to cut down most of the reflections. On the overall, I'd say it's got a decently good display for the price. Coming to the benchmarks, I've ran Geekbench 4 on it. It got a single core score of 2413 and a multi-core score of 4137, which was good for the price. Now let me tell you about the performance. First of all, keep in mind that this is a budget laptop, so don't expect much from it. Day-to-day tasks like browsing the web, watching YouTube, streaming movies, these sort of stuff it handles very well smoothly, but sometimes I did face a few slowdowns while opening the apps. This laptop is not recommended for photo or video editing, it can't handle that sort of loads, and forget about playing graphic intensive games on it. You can only play some casual games like CSGO or Rocket League at 720p medium graphic settings. I would definitely recommend you to get the 8GB RAM variant if you're planning to do something productive with this laptop. Coming to the battery life, it has a 3-cell 33Wh battery and the battery life was decent. If you use it for stuff like browsing the web, streaming movies or watching YouTube at 60% brightness, you'll get about 4.5 to 5 hours of battery life. The good thing here is it supports fast charging. The X507U can be charged up to 60% in just 50 minutes. That is really awesome. So that was my review on the Asus Vivobook X507U budget laptop. It's a really good entry-level laptop. The build quality is nice, the display quality is good, the performance was decent and the battery life was also okay. The only thing I was not satisfied was with the speakers. The pricing of this laptop starts from 21,990 rupees and the model I have costs about 28,000 rupees. I'll just leave links to them in the description box below, you can check them out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.